Jean Watts, known to many as Sister Jean and Bunny Wailer's wife, was 70 years old, stood 5 feet 3 inches tall, wore dreadlocks, had black-brown eyes when she vanished. It was the evening of March 23, 2020, when she was last seen walking along the Mandela Highway in Jamaica. She was dressed simple, a black top, a brown skirt, and sandals. But from that moment, she disappeared as if swallowed by the night. Sister Jean's story is deeply entwined with the legacy of Bunny Wailer, her husband, a name etched in reggae history. A close companion of Bob Marley, Bunny was a founding member of Bob Marley and the Wailers, a group that rose to global fame with songs like Simmer Down and Stirred Up. Sister Jean and Bunny Wailer shared a bond that spanned over 5 decades, their lives woven together since the early days in Trenchtown. She was not only his wife, but his muse, designing iconic outfits for the Wailers and Bunny, and even penning songs featured on Bunny Wailer's album. Jean, a skilled dressmaker and a former Denhamtown High School student, was also an early friend of Rita Marley, adding another layer of depth to her connection with reggae's roots. On that fateful March evening, a family friend saw her leaving the yard, a troubling sight because Jean struggled with dementia that she was being treated for. The gate, usually kept locked to prevent her wandering, had been left unsecured. Sister Jean often spoke of being Bunny Wailer's wife when found on her previous previous excursions. But this time, she was not found. She vanished, leaving behind only unanswered questions. Days turned into months, and whispers began to surface. Sightings were reported in Linstead and Harker's Hall, yet each lead dissolved into nothingness. Where was Sister Jean? Bunny Wailer himself grew agitated as the search for his beloved stretched on, the weight of her absence haunting him until his own passing on March 2, 2021 at Andrews Memorial Hospital. He was 73 years old. The mystery deepened with claims of foul play. A private investigator hinted at underground whispers, suggesting something dark may have happened to Sister Jean. Still no trace, no body, no proof, no closure. To this day, her family clings to hope, holding on to the faint belief that Sister Jean may still be alive somewhere.